So there's a 2500 amp jump starter and a 150 psi compressor kit. The instructions right here, very simple. This is great to have in the vehicle as a backup emergency. Nice little carry case. Your charging cable. Your jump kit from the jumper to the battery. Little bag of tips for the tire inflators or air inflator. And the jump starter itself. So we've got a light mode here. Well, let's go ahead and turn it on first. And you have a light there. You've got your warning light, slow warning light, and off. Your output USB, your input with a USB-C. And so that's going to be your tire inflator mode right there. It's already set to 36. You can go ahead and crank it up to whatever you need it to. Say your tires run on 55. So you have a car mode and another car mode, bicycle mode, sports mode, that's a basketball, or a universal. So that takes care of all those. Your jumper cable port is here. You'll take your jumper, plug it in, only goes one way. We don't need the light on. Make sure you do not put boost on before connecting the batteries. So you're gonna connect your battery first, negative to negative, positive to positive. So I'll go ahead and show you how this connects. All right, now we're connected. It tells you right here, boost, correct, or reverse. We have a green light for correct, so that means we are good to go. Steps to jump your vehicle, connect it, connect the vehicle battery, check whether the green light is indicated, and then start your vehicle engine. So you're already connected and ready to boost. Well, you need to make sure they're connected first. So if we were to jump start the vehicle right now, that's it. We go in there and we jump the vehicle. Once again, great to have in your vehicle at all times. Put it in your trunk. We have one in each vehicle. 2500 amp jump starter, 150 psi air compressor. Using the air compressor, on your side right here is where you'll screw your hose in. The hose is included. Clamps down, tightens on them, and there you go for your attachments. Once again, you have different attachments. You can do sports balls, you can do tires, there's all kinds of different attachments there.